Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're doing stacked green chili chicken enchiladas. And we like to put a fried egg on top. You can make rolled chicken enchiladas if you want to. This is a very popular way to make it in New Mexico. So we're making stacked green chili chicken enchiladas. Let me show you how we do that right now.
Okay, well, first we got to make our green chili sauce. So I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. I've got half of a large onion, diced mostly. I'm going to get this sauteed up for a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to add about 3 cloves of garlic in there. Mix it up for about 20 or 30 seconds till we start smelling it. Okay, now I've got about a dozen green chilies, fresh roasted, peeled, deseeded, and diced. To this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of flour. I think that'll be enough. Hopefully not too much for this amount. Let that cook for a few minutes and get that flour cooked in. All right, it's been going for a little over a minute. I'm going to add probably 8 cups of chicken broth. Obviously, you can make your own chicken broth. I'm using the chicken broth out of the box. Let's start with 4 cups. That might be enough because we got a lot of green chili in there. I am going to add about a teaspoon of salt right now. And if we need to, we'll adjust later. That should be probably enough. Okay, we're going to get this back to a boil and let it simmer. All right, we got this up to a boil. I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit. And if it's too thick, then I can always add more chicken broth. But I think this is probably going to be just about right. It's already looking really tasty. We got lots of green chili. Now don't be scared. I've got about 6 mild green chilies and the other 6 are hot, but they're not all that hot. So this is going to be our green chili sauce. We'll let that go for a little bit, maybe about 20-30 minutes. Simmer. All right, we got the green chili all ready. I did end up adding 2 more cups of chicken broth to it, and now we have to soften our corn tortillas. And you've seen me do that before. Just put it in some hot oil. Doesn't take very long. You don't want to have raw tortillas for your enchiladas. These are stacked enchiladas, not rolled. So we're making 2 plates, so I only need to heat up 4 tortillas. Just like that. Okay, for these green chili chicken stacked enchiladas, I have leftover rotisserie chicken that we're going to be using for these. So to build these, you just want to put your tortilla down. Of course, I like to use the Chihuahua cheese. This is a melting quesadilla cheese. It's I find it at Walmart. I use it all the time. It's called Chihuahua from Supremo. Very delicious. Okay, then you put your cheese down. Add some chicken, as much as you want. I'm going to stack it on pretty good. Okay, then we're going to want a little bit of our green chili sauce in the middle. Then you top it with a tortilla. So this is our stacked enchilada. And then you smother it with your green chili sauce. Now you can, I'm going to add cheese on top of this. Now you can put this in the oven to help melt the cheese. I don't really trust these plates, so we just zap them in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And that's totally fine. It will come out amazing. All right, so there's one. I'm going to make another one, and I'll show you what they look like when we're done.
All right. All right, how easy is that? The sauce is easy to make. You just gotta do it. It's green chili, onion, garlic, a little bit of salt, chicken broth, and you're good to go. All right, so anybody can make that. Yes, you can use Ortega canned or Hatch canned if you can find them, but you're gonna need a cup or two, so you'll need big cans or a bunch of small cans. All right, there it is. Like I said, we like ours with a fried egg. Either when we do red or green, we like it with a fried egg. It just adds just a little bit extra, kind of like huevos rancheros. Anyway, let's take a bite. We got homemade Spanish rice. I'm not going to take the taste with the egg because I don't want to bust it yet. All right. And there we go. I got the chicken in there, the tortilla, the cheese. Oh my goodness. This really is fantastic. Green chili chicken enchiladas, except these are not rolled, they're stacked. It's a good, quick way, easy way to make enchiladas. It's how we make it in New Mexico most of the time. You can get stacked at restaurants, and this is so good. That sauce is so good. And of course, the rice. All right, there you go. Green chili chicken enchiladas, stacked green chili enchiladas. Thanks for checking this out. You're watching Tortilla Takeover. Come back, hit that like and subscribe. Come back and see what else I got cooking up. All right, have a great day.